Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Hello everyone, it's me Paswati Mania. Welcome to our information technology helpdesk online channel. And today I'm going to add a new playlist in our YouTube channel that's called Learn IPv4. In that topic we will be learning about the details of the IPv4. Before we go deep down into our topic, let's surfacely talk about the IPv4 tutorials and what is about, and who can get benefit from this tutorial, and what are the prerequisite things you should know before you start learning IPv4. And let's start IPv4 tutorials. Guys, internet protocols, it's called IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4, is the fourth version in development of internet protocols or IP, and the first version, and we also known as the IPv4, also known as the first version of the protocol which has been deployed worldwide. And IPv4 is described in IETF publications, which is called RFC 791 September 1981, and replace an earlier definition, RFC 760 January 1980. So if you want to get down about this RFC, so I will request you to search on the Google RFC 789 and you get the details about IPv4 and what this tutorial can do for you. Let's talk about that. And this tutorial will be helping you understand about the IPv4 and its associated terminologies, along with appropriate reference and examples. And this playlist is for the beginners who want to understand about the basic concept of IPv4 which is required to work with any TCP/IP basic protocols. And I'm not promising you that after you attending this tutorial you become the pro, but what I want to make sure that after you attend this tutorial you will find yourself a moderate level of expertise of IPv4 from where you can take yourself to the next level. Okay guys, you are with me? So I'm not gonna promise you that after taking this course you will be an expert in IPv4. In spite of that, I will assure that you will be I assume that you don't know about anything of the IPv4, and after getting this you will be at moderate level expertise. Okay, and what are the prerequisites before you join our playlist or before you watch our IPv4 tutorials? What I assume that you will be already knowing or rather aware of basic computers and the network concepts, such as what is protocols and why do we need protocols and the network layers and extra things you should be knowing. That are the prerequisites. If you don't know about these the terminologies, so I will request you to, before continuing this playlist, I request you to learn these protocols and the needs of protocols and the type of layers and different computer network basic terminologies. Okay, so you guys, this is all about the overview of our IPv4 tutorials playlist. So guys, hope you guys getting the point what I want to say in this video. So guys, see you in next video.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly by our social platforms. Thanks for watching.